So this is the Nuova Simonelli MAC 2000 V, or Roman numeral 5, maybe. That's the model. And the group head is not functioning. The steam wand works. And it's hooked up to a pump that is attached to the side of this little stroller cart, a jogging stroller, and it goes down into a jug of water. So that pump provides water for the machine. It has to have replenished water after running. There's a boiler in the back that keeps the water hot. You'll hear it cycle every once in a while to maintain temperature. And the group head is down there. The pump is not functioning properly. You'll hear it coming on there just as I'm moving. If I hold the hose up, for some reason that causes the pump to stop running constantly. But if it's down, it just runs all the time, which it's not what it's supposed to do. So I'm holding it up here presently. And if you run the machine, so I'll put this down here for a minute so you can see the group head. And I'm going to turn the machine on at the steam wand. And you can lock the steam. For the phone, we'll turn on the water dispenser as well, which is right over here. And that actually sprays water up out of the top. So there's a mechanism there, a handle that you pull to dispense water. And that sprays water out. So it's not supposed to be spraying. And now the machine is cycling. That's how the pump is supposed to operate. Something is clicking in the back, which may be the indication of something malfunctioning within the machine. Okay, so I pulled the hose up again, and that makes the pump turn off. So it's supposed to cycle like that when you run water from the machine, because you're dispensing water. There's the pump going again. That's more normal functionality. When you dispense water, it empties from the boiler back here, which causes the pump to kick on to bring water up out of the water barrel here to provide more water into the back of the machine. So that's a basic explanation of how the machine should function. With the steam wand and the water dispenser, the group head here is not functioning properly. There's the pump again. And this is the group head. Up underneath, there's a screen that can be taken down for cleaning the machine. And that's the internal pump for the espresso machine. That's the pressure gauge. It shows there's internal pressure, and that will fluctuate as the machine functions. Normally, you would press one of these buttons up here to get the group head to turn on and dispense water, but it's not functioning properly. And that is flashing until you hit stop. So, not sure why that's happening. Perhaps there's something clogging the group head here, causing it to not be able to dispense water. There's also a solenoid type of a part here that might need to be replaced. And then there's another machine as well. Turn off the pump here. There's two separate power sources, or a need for two different places to plug in. I typically separate the plug that the machine is getting its power source from, and the pump itself, the external pump for the water, also has a plug for power. So there's another machine over here, same exact model, and it has parts on it. I've taken some off already to put on the other machine. So between these two machines, there should be the parts available for making it work properly, hopefully. So there might be a need to remove the group head from this other machine and put it onto this one, or you can try just taking this other piece that's attached to the solenoid, or to the group head. That's like I think it is a solenoid, and make it function as a whole. Good luck.